Hello guys, this is Lucky and I welcome you guys back again to this tutorial section. So guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how to upgrade the RAM of a laptop. Now there are two major things that you need to take into consideration whenever I want to upgrade the RAM of your system. Now firstly, you need to find out the kind of RAM that your system is using. As you can see here, I have a laptop here, and this laptop, this is HP ProBook 450G8. This is called i7, and this laptop is making use of DDR4 type of RAM. Now if you don't know how to find out the kind of RAM that your system is using, all you need to do is just to Google the model of your laptop. Like the one I have here, this is the HP 450G8. Now all I need to do is just to go to Google and Google it to know the type of RAM that the system is using, whether it's DDR1, whether it's DDR2, whether it's DDR3, or whether it's DDR4, right? Now after checking that, the second thing that you need to find out is the maximum RAM size requirements for your laptop. Like this laptop here, this is Core i7, and this Core i7 can take up to 16 to 32 gig RAM depending on the speed, right? Now these are the two major things that you need to take into consideration before you go ahead to upgrade the RAM of your laptop, right? So with that being said, let's now jump into the tutorial. Okay guys, so now we are done opening the back. Now the next thing we're going to do here now is to bring out the RAM. This is the RAM that we're going to use to upgrade this laptop. Now like I said before, this is PC4 type of RAM, and it's still the same type that is recommended for the system. So you need to make sure that your system is using the same type of RAM that you've got to upgrade the laptop, right? So I'm just going to go ahead and then slot it in. So this is the space here. So just screw it and then I'll clip it. Okay guys, so the next thing that we'll have to do here now is to cover up the laptop. You need to cover it back. Okay guys, now we are done upgrading this laptop. Now before we go ahead and tighten up the screw, now the last thing we're going to do here now is that we're going to power up the laptop and then use F10 to enter BIOS and confirm that the system has been upgraded to 16 gig, right? So I'll just go ahead and power up the laptop. Here I'll use the power button to power on the laptop. Okay guys, here the battery of this laptop is down, so we just need to plug it on light. Okay guys, so now plugged in this, so let's just go ahead and power on the laptop, and then we use F10 key to boot into the BIOS section to check. So it's going to take some time before it comes on because we just upgraded the RAM now. So we are going to give it a moment before the laptop comes on. Here I'll click on F10 continuously to boot into the BIOS section. Okay guys, so now we are in the BIOS section. So let me quickly take the screen closer so you see what I'm showing you. So guys, here is the BIOS section of this laptop. Now I'll just go ahead and select the first option here, system information. So I'll just click on enter, and from here you can see that the RAM is now, this is the memory size. As you can see, this is 16,384 MB, which is approximately 16 gig, right? So we have successfully upgraded this HP ProBook 450G8 or i7. Now the system is now running on 16 gig RAM, right? So I'll just exit the BIOS section. Okay guys, so that is it on how to upgrade the RAM of a laptop. Now like I said, the very first thing you need to consider is to check the kind of RAM that your system is using before you go ahead and purchase a RAM. Secondly, you need to check the maximum size of your memory that is recommended for your PC. Now if you don't know how to check that, you can either Google the model of the laptop. Like this one is HP ProBook 450G8. Now if you are not able to get it online, you can also get it on the manual that comes with your laptop, right? That brings us to the end of this tutorial, guys. Now if today is your very first time of coming across our YouTube channel, guys, I would like you to subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notification, so in case anytime that will drop a new content here on our YouTube channel, you'll be notified and you come and watch our video, right? So with that being said, see you in the next video. Bye for now.